Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hal yastawi alladhina ya'lamuna wal ladhina la ya'lamun. Sadaqallahu al-azim. Dear brethren and sisters of Islam, Assalamu Alaikum. It's a great honor for me that I'm standing in front of you here in order to extend wholeheartedly a gratitude, thanksgiving, and remembering Imam Muhammad Fazl Barelvi for his remarkable, outstanding service and contribution towards the Islamic world. Imam Muhammad was a great Islamic scholar and a renowned Hanafi jurist, a great scientist, and an expert of 12 branches of mathematics, modern sciences, astronomy, and the science of inheritance. He was recognized by scholars from the Islamic world to be a revival of this century. He was revival of 14th century. He was a great writer whose legal edicts were gathered into 12 encyclopedic volumes, Fatawa Rasviya, and covered almost every science of his day. If we study the life of Imam Muhammad, we will discover his achievements in various subjects, which total over 54 branches of knowledge. It is possible today to find an Islamic scholar or even a non-Muslim professor, scientist, or a Nobel Peace Prize owner who possesses such qualifications. Imam Muhammad was the revival of the 14th century. His outstanding and remarkable contribution to modern sciences will remain in the page of history. To achieve the Nobel Peace Prize award, you must have a certain qualification. Imam Muhammad has them all. In the modern era, it is very difficult for those who have a versatile personality to achieve his award, and Imam Muhammad is ahead of all of them. After contributing to so much to the modern sciences, Imam Muhammad is eligible to receive the Nobel Prize. I would like to urge the Nobel Peace Prize Committee, especially Norwegian Parliament and his honorable members, to award Imam Muhammad with the Nobel Prize. And I strongly believe that if he was in the Western world, he would have already been awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize Award. May Allah shower countless mercy on the shrine of Imam Muhammad. His remarkable contribution toward the Islamic world and his outstanding services toward the Islamic jurisdiction will remain inside our heart, and he has enlightened millions' heart around the world. Imam Muhammad, he was the Mujaddid, he was revival of 14th century, but still his remarkable contribution towards the Fatawa and modern sciences, philosophy and logic and mathematics and algebra, geometry, it is a great reflection for Western world. May Allah bless Imam Muhammad in the bounty of Jannah and give us tawfiq to follow his school of thought and maslak of Imam Muhammad. Assalamu Alaikum. Khuda Hafiz. Muhammad Farogh Qadri, the World Islamic Mission, UK.